Hello everyone, this is Misael from Talos Drones. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the T100 mist nozzle package on the DJI Agras T100. Let's get to it. So when you open up the box, you'll see you received two nozzle spraying lances. Each lance comes with one solenoid valve. You'll see them here at the ends of each central fuel motor. So you will have to remove the solenoid that's currently installed on the T100 and install it on the second centrifugal motor. But you see, you have the lances, you have the two brackets, and you have a adapter cable for these lances, along with some accessories. First, we'll start off with removing the old lances on the T100, and then we'll reinstall the new ones. First, we'll start off with removing the covers on the spray lances. And you can just grab a screwdriver. There we go. And we'll do the same thing to the bottom. And then we'll remove the 4 screws, 2 on top and 2 here on the bottom. And then we'll disconnect the cable and the hose. It might spill a bit, it's fine. There we go. Then we'll go ahead and remove this solenoid valve. So we can start off with removing these 4 screws. There we go. And we can take off this hose nut. And now with that, we can go ahead and disconnect the connector from the solenoid. Now we can go ahead and set this aside, and then we'll go ahead and grab the new one. So now we're going to remove the original bracket on the T100. We'll get our mount that came in our kit. This is aluminum compared to the original plastic. Go ahead and set it, and then we'll start with the center one, all of them. So now we'll go ahead and connect our hose to the other end. Before we do that, we want to make sure we slide in the hose nut. All right. Okay, so now that you installed that, now with the solenoid and the hoses installed, we can go ahead and install the spray lance to the T100. So now we go ahead and run the hose and the connection through. And then we install the screws. Remove this hose nut here. And run the second hose. Okay, now that we have our hose is connected, we can go ahead and connect our centrifugal motor here, and then place it back on the bracket. And now we can run our cable adapter. And so here's our management module. You can go ahead and remove these two screws here. Here we can run our cabling, slide it on, place it here, and then run it down. Oh, this is... And then this rubber piece connects here to this clip, and then the end connects to our other centrifugal motor. There you go. Down to the bracket. There you go. Lastly, we place our plastic covers back in place. So. There we go. So on the T100 mist kit, you'll see that each lant is labeled for both sides. So here on the right side, you'll have M1/M3, which will go on the right side of the drone, and 2 and 4 will go on the left side of the drone. Just keep that in mind when you're installing these. Then this rubber piece will go up here to this bracket. All right, guys, that was the process to install the mist package on the DJI T100. What you do to one side, you just do to the other. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Once again, this is Misael from Talos Drones, and stay tuned to the next video when we give this system a test.